Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to merge your PDF files into one single document. First, you need to click on Merge PDF to open the widget. Then, drop your first PDF file or upload it from your device or your cloud storage service. Once the file is processed, you can upload more files. Check the order of the files. If needed, you can reorganize them by moving each file to the left or the right. Then, you have to click on the Merge button. You can download the PDF file with your merged documents to your computer or save it directly to your favorite cloud storage service. All documents processed with AVPDF are automatically deleted from our servers after 30 minutes. If you prefer, you can delete your file manually right after processing by clicking the bin icon. Your merged file is too big to upload it online? You can hypercompress it for free with AVPDF. Have fun using AVPDF tools.